A for apple. A for apple. Apple means save. B for boy. B for boy. Boy means ladka. C for cat. C for cat. Cat means billy. Meow. Meow. D for dog. D for dog. Dog means kutta. Bhaw, bhaw, bhaw. E for elephant. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. F for fish. Fish means machli. Chapak, chapak. G for grapes. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. L for lion. Lion means sher. M for monkey. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. O for orange. Orange means santara. P for peacock. P for peacock. Peacock means more. Q for queen. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. R for rose. R for rose. Rose means gulab. S for sun. S for sun. Sun means suraj. T for tiger. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. V for van. Van means gaadi. W for watch. W for watch. Watch means ghadi. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak means jangli ghoda. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra means daryai ghoda.